Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and my today's topic is from SHT in Geography, Manufacturing Industries. Today I am going to discuss with you on these topic classification of industries on basis of size, small scale industries, large scale industries. These all are the topics which we are going to discuss with you today. Is an organized activities whose aim is to produce or supply good to provide services. Its literate meaning is working an organized and systematic way. The word industry usually bring to mind images of large factories and mill, but industry also includes agriculture, fishing, lumbering, trade, and in fact all form of economic activities. Industries can be divided into three main types: primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. Recently, tertiary industries have been subdivided to give four types of quaternary industries. Primary industry involve extracting resources from the sea or land, including forestry, farming, fishing, coal, mining, oil drilling, and hunting. These are particularly dependent on physical factors such climate and geology. Secondary manufacturing industry produce things for people by processing raw material or assembling components. For example, clothes are manufactured by cotton. Tertiary industry deal with services and distribution of manufactured goods. They provide various services for trade, transportation system, administration and education, etc. Classification of industries. Industries can be divided in three different ways depending on size, raw material use and ownership. On basis of size, we can when we classify industry on the basis of size, we mainly consider the money wasted, number of people employed, and the volume of production in that industry. On the basis of these factors, we can classify industries as follow: small scale industries. Industries whose investment is up to crore rupees come under the category of small scale industries. These industries require small capital investment on plant and machinery. Labor could be low skilled as in cloth manufacturing or food processing, or highly skilled as in electronics or gemstone cutting. Production volume here is small. Large scale industries. Industries having the investment in this industries having an investment of more than 1 crore rupees are called large scale industries. They have superior quality of technology as they produce different variety of good. In large industries, they have superior qualities. Large scale industries. Industries having an investment of more than 1 crore rupees are called large scale industries. They have superior quality of technology as they produce different variety of goods in a large quantity. A large number of labor, skilled and unskilled, are required in such industry. The production volume here is huge. For example, the iron and steel manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, or heavy machinery industries, etc. are large scale industries. Cottage industries, these are still smaller industries which do not require much investment. These industries deal with the manufacture of crafts by hands or without machinery. For example, selling home baked cakes and making handicrafts. These are attached to homes and often employ family members on the basis of ownership. Based on the ownership, we can have a private sector, public sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector industries. Private sector industries in which production is ongoing and controlled by individual or a group of people are private sector industries. For example, Tata Iron, Steel, Reliance Industries companies are and Bajaj Auto. Public sector industries, industry which are owned and managed by the government at the central of state level, is a public sector industries. For example, natural gas, steel plants, and State Bank of India. Joint sector industries, industries which are managed jointly by the government and private sector are joint sector industries. For example, Bharat Aluminium Company and Hindustan Zinc Limited. Cooperative industries, industries which are owned and managed equally in a group of people for their mutual benefit, who might be the producer, suppliers, and worker. For example, Anand Mill Union Limited, Sudha Dairy, Cotton Handlooms Cooperative, and Sugar Cooperatives. Dear children, these all are the topics for today. Dear children, we will discuss the rest of your topic in our next video. Dear children, that is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.